I knew that it wasn't going to be easy, everybody. JASMY coin holders, we mentioned that we already got this sell off alert, as you can see on the top of that beautiful candle. But you know what? Who cares? I'm not the only one holding the line. When you zoom out and you understand that JASMY could have tremendous life changing, opportunities for a lot of people, then that's the reason to hold. And that applies to so many of the tokens that we talk about here on the channel, everybody. Personally, I am not looking at selling my JASMY. I'm down on my JASMY. I'm going to tell you exactly how much I'm down on my JASMY because we don't hide those kinds of things and details here on the channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by because it was official that I finally became a holder. I have less than 4 days of really, or 5 days of becoming aware of this awesome community, and I've been documenting my journey here on the channel. And I feel really welcome, and I feel that it's just another opportunity to look into a project with tremendous upside. And it's just the way that it is when it comes to crypto. You win, you lose some, but at the end of the day, these red candles, they mean people making money. They mean people taking profits. How in the world you're not gonna take profits after over a 200% massive pump? I'll be taking profits left and right, no problem. And that's what I like. So my positions, which are the following, have JASMY $56,835, which is down $173, meaning that my value, my cost for JASMY is well over $1,000. I'm a little bit down right now. I'm not selling. If you don't sell, you don't lose. Period. That's just the way it is. So I need JASMY to do me another 200%. So from here, 200% JASMY, guys, we're looking at a price of 5 pennies. 5 cents is not a problem, in my opinion. I think a lot of you guys will crucify me if I tell you that JASMY is not going to 5 cents, right? You will immediately unsubscribe, and I would expect you to do so because we know JASMY can hit 5 cents. So it's whether you want to hold till that happens or not. Another thing that I was looking is that JASMY is already listed everywhere. So that is no bueno for people like me who just bought in, because there's no other more listing breaking news. There's no Binance, there's no Coinbase, there's no KuCoin. I mean, it's everywhere. So typically you want to be on the early side of any project when it's barely going to be listed, right? Because that's the amazing FOMO factor that can give you a tremendous upside. But when it comes to JASMY, it is not happening. And I just love to see the news that are, coming out on Twitter or X. So far, I see this token getting into an accumulation after this nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my Fibonacci retracement right here. Fibonacci retracement, we are easily seeing the following. Technical analysis, everybody. That's just what I always love to do. I'm using Lux Algo right here, and I got more awesome news coming for you guys if you want to use indicators or so. I'm talking to different companies and projects, bringing you the latest. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more JASMY content here. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, how you guys are feeling and doing, because I'm talking to a lot of different project heads, and they're all are excited for the upcoming Bitcoin halving that is happening in 60 or less days. So I am not gonna risk not entering into different positions because of losing money. You don't lose if you don't sell, period. That's just the way it is. So typically on the Fibonacci levels, I find the tokens heading into these levels of the 61 to 50% retracement. At that level, then that's where the consolidation comes. By looking at the pattern of JASMY, I just said wing it, like I mentioned earlier today. I don't want to be sitting on the sidelines if the price of JASMY goes to 2 pennies, 2 cents. Instead, I bought here. Now I'm holding my losing position, but it could actually go much lower. Now, how low can we go? Well, we could do another 25 to 30% down easily. That could happen, actually. Looking at the constant trend, because my first video today was early, about 12 hours ago. Those 12 hours ago, those 3, 4, 4-hour candlesticks are showing the declining price trend. So we could have just rebuttal, come back up. That's not happening. We're seeing clearly. I'm gonna go ahead and hide this. We're seeing clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4-hour candlesticks down. Basically, what it means for a lot of people is let's just cash it out, let the pump relax, recharge, and then find a common consolidation sideway trading pattern. That's it. So that could happen. That is my initial analysis on this token for everybody to know. I continue believing that we're not going to see a 100% retracement going back all the way down to 0.005. I think that 0.005, with the news that we got from Japan, that should be enough for Jasmine to continue having this, relatively high price, well over the 1 penny. I want that to happen because obviously, if it keeps going lower, then my position from here is gonna be looking, you know, red and more bloody. But exactly when it's red and at that level, we see flutters, we see a lot of community starting to lose the hope. But in reality, guys, as someone who has been holding not only Jasmine, right, but all kinds of crypto, Shiba Inu, Cronos, and I've been holding for years and they don't move. I am honestly very happy to see at least Jasmine do really well for a lot of people who have been holding for a long time. So that is my overview on the way I see things. After 12 hours, I can tell you that I think waking up tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised to see this price change. And if it does happen, well, for those who have cash on hand, you will be able to pick up some more. I do agree, guys. This is a play to hold for long term. I'm not rushing my Jasmine. I'm not panicking at Jasmine. Look, steady, not shaking. It is just going to be another long term hold if you want to go ahead and see a possible $1 price appreciation. I saw it, and I told you before, with 50 billion supply, which could be going down little by little, compared to other tokens and projects like Cronos, XRP, ASPA, even or so. There shouldn't be a problem arriving well past 50 cents. And if that's the case, we'll make bank. And this is going to be a great position to hold for a long time. After $1, that I'm not your guy. I think that's after $1, it's gonna get just not pretty insane and way more speculation than needed. But for right now, $1 or less is where I'm putting my long-term exit strategy. If you want to hear more, everybody, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. You've been updated, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.